In recent weeks, the first Windows 10 on ARM PCs have begun to go on sale. Though they offer lengthy battery life, LTE connectivity, and instant-on capabilities, one of their main limitations is that they won't run 64-bit apps. However, it looks like that's about to change. Speaking with Engadget, Microsoft General Manager for Windows Aaron Chappie revealed that an ARM 64 SDK will be announced at the company's Build 2018 developer conference in May. The SDK will allow developers to compile their 64-bit apps to run on the Snapdragon platform powering Windows 10 on ARM PCs. According to Engadget, the ARM 64 SDK will be available for both Microsoft Store and desktop apps. Microsoft previously stated it had plans to add 64-bit app support, but there was no timeline available. Windows 10 on ARM still has its share of limitations, but adding the ability for developers to compile their apps to run in 64-bit with Windows 10 on ARM PCs will be an important addition for developers. However, it's not something that's likely to be noticed by the average user.